That one might not work.
Shea butter right now. Welcome back to Operation Reconciliation, and today we are going to be going to the market. We just have to go find a couple of things, so hopefully we can find those things, and we're just going to take y'all along with us, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Hello guys, so we're currently in the car, and the first market we're going to is the Makola market, so I'll see y'all when we get there. Hey y'all, so we had to park at a different market, and now we're walking to the Makola market, because if we park there we would have to pay for parking. We're not trying to do that, so I'll see y'all there. Hey, Prince, come on. What? Alright, y'all. I just got some shea butter. We're still looking at shea butter right now.
You like that hygiene stuff, so.
Give me. Mom, what you about to buy? Mom, what are you gonna buy?
I'm looking for some okra, green onions, and I think that's it. It's a pineapple.
Oh yeah, pineapple.
So we just got some avocado. You guys, we have walked this market so many times, and every time it gets us, because when we walk the Makola market, we walk it. So we try to see everything. But by the time we get done, we're exhausted. And especially if it's a hot day, my goodness, help us. Alright guys, so we just got done shopping in the Makola market. Now, I think we're either going to go to the car or go to the next market. So, say hey y'all. Alright, we'll see y'all in a little bit.
You want to tell everybody where we're going?
Yeah, but I don't know what market we're going to.
Prince, what market are we going to?
Medina Market.
Medina?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to the Medina Market, y'all.
Huh? From here?
From here going like.
Oh, okay.
So the story with that was they said one of the mothers that run the market, that market she died and they were mourning her.
Oh.
Wait, what?
Ooh, that's
La madame est not here. I'm back. Is that what you want?
Ruby.
Hey y'all, I know it's kind of dark, but we just got done going to all these markets. Now we're finna go home because we're tired and we're sleepy. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see y'all in our next video, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and say bye y'all.
Bye.